Magko-concert kami bukas. On a Tuesday. Fam, I am packing kasi hindi ako kita. Magko-concert kami bukas. On a Tuesday. Deserve ko ba? Siguro. Di ako sure kung deserve ko, pero I'll make myself deserve it. Make myself? Pwede ba yun? So, nagpapack lang ako kasi mukhang magsistay ako matagal sa girlfriend ko. Today, I'd say it was a productive day. Nag-lock in ako, as in, let's go. Locked in. Locked in ako sa work. Kanina, nag-workout ako. Sabi ko, hindi ko dadalhin yung camera. Low-key lang tayo ngayon. Tapos, yun. After lunch, after kong kumain, sabi ko, let's lock in. So I did. Talaga, I was just zoned in working. I finished so many things today. I finished doing the subtitle project na I have, which took 2 months to finish. Tapos, ano pa bang ginawa ko? I finished a podcast revision na I didn't plan to do today, pero sabi ko, sige, gawin natin. And then, I also did yung creative director stuff ko, which is preparing some clips for our editor to edit. Tapos, ayun. Ngayon, I also finished a meeting na I had with another client. Kaya medyo late ako natapos talaga. Nag-set up kami ng OBS, which is what they will use to record videos. And it went well naman. Medyo matagal nga lang 2 hours kami nag-meeting. But, it was a productive day and I'm happy. I just have one thing na I wish I can do tomorrow before lunch. So, feel ko in the morning, I'll have to prioritize it tomorrow. For now, I just make sure na maalala kong ilagay siya sa to-do list. Tapos, bukas na umaga, I'll just cram it. Basically, creating a YouTube strategy for one of my clients. Video editor lang ako doon technically, pero medyo nagpapabibo ako, which I'm not sure if healthy. Kasi, di ba nga, gusto nating low-key lang tayo para less responsibilities. Kasi baka mamaya nag-e-effort na naman ako putting extra work. Tapos, hindi naman tataas sweldo ko. Hindi naman talaga tataas. Pero we'll see. Baka pamaya pwede ako mag-negotiate na itaas yung salary ko. Tingnan natin. Yun yung end goal ko, honestly. Parang, siguro sa inyo, kung meron sa inyo nag-work ngayon as a freelancer, tapos pinag-iisipan nyo kung mag-effort ba kayo. Tignan nyo kung may potential bang taasan nila yung sahod nyo if mag-effort kayo. So sa akin, feel ko meron naman. Kasi yung doing YouTube strategy, ewan ko ba't ako gumaganon. Pero yung doing YouTube strategy, parang higher level skill na siya. Higher level, tama ba? Medyo leadership level role na siya. Na nagsistrategize ka for them. So, I think may possibility naman na tumaas yung sahod ko if I do this. Kaya sabi ko, sige, why not? Try lang natin. Tapos, if tumaas, edi good. If hindi, edi back to low-key na lang tayo. So, anyway, I'll do my packing. Tapos, I guess, I'll just see you guys soon or tomorrow. I don't know. Dapat nga mag-record ako ng podcast ngayon, pero wala na akong time eh. Naging busy ako. So, mukhang 2 videos lang tayo this week. And sana okay lang naman yun sa inyo. So, I'll just keep packing. Tapos, I'll probably talk to you guys later.
Are you excited? Excited ka na? Coffee check. Wow. Vlog takeover. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Why? Simula pa lang ng relationship namin, we already listened to Jacob Collier. And now we're gonna see him live.
Cool water of your smiling. Seems so much to your affection. Of you, be my queen. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. To love, I need somebody to love. I need somebody to love. There's a light that leads me back to you.
si Julia kaya tahimik lang ako. So yung na-realize ko lang now, yung na-record ko na podcast, hindi ko na siya magagawang podcast. Isasama ko na lang sa video na to. Hindi ko ata kaya mag-post ng 2 videos this week. Yung original naging goal ko for this channel was 2 videos per week. Or 3 pala. Pero hindi na kaya. Ngayon ay iniisip ko baka mas sustainable na 2 na lang. Kasi bala ko gumawa ng 3rd channel na, second channel na more on YouTube strategy. Kasi if you check online, maraming mga YouTube strategy channels or YouTube growth channels online. And I think gusto ko gumawa nun para lang malabas ko sarili ko as a YouTube strategist or a YouTube professional in a sense. Kasi yun naman yung field ko ngayon. I'm more on YouTube. So, yun. Gusto ko magka-time to produce those videos kasi parang more educational type of content sila. I just don't know how I want to make them. Kung very professional type of educational content ba or medyo casual lang like this one. So, I'm not too sure yet, honestly. So, ayun. Kailangan ko ng time to produce videos. For those, ang tagal na nun. Yung friend ko who's encouraging me to make that channel, ang tagal na ako nire-remind na gawin ko na, pero hindi ko pa nagagawa. And I think it's because sobrang nakafocus ako on this channel. So, ayun. I think, guys, if okay lang sa inyo, pero wala rin naman ata kayong choice, baka 2 uploads na lang per week. One content is yung podcast. Gusto ko lang gumawa ng podcast. Gusto ko consistent ako with making podcasts. Just so you can get to know me, pati yung thought process ko and everything else. Tapos vlog videos, just me documenting my week. So yun, I'll do that. And hopefully naman ma-enjoy nyo pa rin yung channel. Anyway, so last night we went to a concert ni Jacob Collier. If you guys are familiar, sobrang solid ng concert niya. Honestly, as in, first time ko maka-attend ng ganong kagandang concert. Tapos napaka-simple lang niya. Sobrang liit lang ng venue, very intimate. Tapos the way he engages with the crowd talaga. As in, sobrang galing. Yun talagang hype na hype ako. Tapos kumakanta ako. Pati si Julia. So, ang galing talaga. So, ayun. Ngayon, I'm just trying to lock in for work. Nag-vlog lang ako saglit kasi wala akong content for today. Wala akong day in the life content ngayon. Hindi, actually, day in the life ko lang is nag-concert ako kahapon. Tapos today, I'm locking in sa work. So I'm working here sa house ng girlfriend ko. And hopefully I get a lot of things done. So far, I've got 3 things done, which is a good thing. I think I'm more or less done for the day. Kailangan ko lang i-manage itong vlog na to. Kasi added work siya sa akin. Also, nakausap po isang viewer na friend ko rin. Sabi niya, na how she watches my videos daw is parang she just works or pag may ginagawa siya, nag-play on the side. Let me know in the comments kung ganun din kayo. Kasi parang that's how I do YouTube din, honestly. That's how I watch YouTube videos. Usually, may ginagawa ko on the side tapos may nagpe-play lang. So, let me know in the comments kung ganun din kayo. Pero shoutout sa friend ko. You know who you are. Hindi ko na pamagitin name mo kasi not sure kung gusto mo pa mapanggit. Pero, yeah. So, if you guys are working, I hope you enjoy playing this naman while working. Anyway, I'll get back to work. Tapos, uwi na ako mamaya. Tapos, I'll just keep documenting my week para lang, I don't know, just see what it's like in my life. I think this week has been weird kasi sa ibang jobs ko, halimbawa yung isa yung real estate client, hindi ko na masyado na feel na parang contributing super well ako in a way kasi sobrang bagal ng progress. So I'm glad I have these other projects naman na feel ko mas may momentum or mas may growth potential. So yun, I feel like if freelancer kayo tas you're considering getting multiple clients, go for it. I feel like that's the safe way as well, lalo na if gusto nyong continuous growth din kayo. Anyway, I'll get back to work. I'll see you guys when I get home. Hello. nakauwi na tayo. Medyo slow day ngayon. Nahirapan ako mag-work uli. Pero, maaga pa naman. 1 PM pa lang. So, try lang natin na mag-focus uli. Nagkape na ako. Gamot na lang actually, di ko nagagawa. Kailangan ko pala mag-schedule ng appointment sa doktor na hindi ko pa nagagawa. Hindi ko pa kasi alam kung kailan. Yeah, pero may spare pa naman ako na gamot dito. So that's good. Tingin ko kailangan mag-schedule next week para lang may bagong batch na naman ako ng gamot. Okay, so work muna tayo. Tapos let's just see what happens. Wala akong plan today, honestly. Kailangan ko lang mag-work. Kailangan ko lang humabol sa work. Para lang feel naman nila na sulit pa rin yung bayad nila sa akin. Pero ayoko talaga mag-effort sa jobs ko ngayon. Anyway, I'll work. I'll see you guys in a bit. Wala na akong maisip na gawin for work. I think natapos ko yung mga kailangan ko this week. Kaya wala namang pressure na mag-isip pa ng task. Pero yun nga lang. Yun dun sa isa kong client, yung sabi, baka pwede ko ilista yung hours ko. Talagang kulang yung hours ko this week. Kung ganun. Anyway, I think medyo kailangan kong i-schedule pa ng maayos yung weeks ko. Kasi for my second channel, yung YouTube strategy channel na I'm hoping to make, kailangan ko ng time to film and to also write my scripts, write my ideas, my titles. And I'm also doing this channel. Kaya tingin ko I'll have to reduce nga talaga yung uploads ko for this channel as I discussed the other day. Which sana okay lang naman kasi parang okay din naman na I just keep this channel for the soul, for me to share my thoughts, for me to just have an outlet out there. So I think okay naman na yun na I just keep this channel as that. Tapos I don't aim to monetize it in any way. I think yun lang naman kasi naging worry ko ever since I started taking YouTube seriously, in a sense na gusto ko gamitin tong channel na to as a portfolio. Parang naging conscious na ako of views, subscriber count, and everything else. Kasi yun yung papakita ko sa clients ko eh. Diba? Halimbawa kung may mag-inquire sa akin, kung pwede ko sila tulungan with strategy, papakita ko tong channel na to. But I think now na I have a creative director role, tas I have other channels that are already growing na are not mine. Pero these are channels for my clients. I have other ways naman na of having a different portfolio. So, in a way, wala na akong pressure to grow this one. Parang, siguro ang goal ko for this one is really impact, no, to help people. So, yung mga suggestions nyo on probably talking about budgeting, finances. Parang yung sabi ni Crimson, one of the commenters, sabi niya, maybe some topics on financing and budgeting, magiging helpful daw. So sabi ko, sige, baka I can really just dedicate this channel to helping out in some way. Honestly, I don't know how to help out yet. I also talked about possibly coaching, di ba? Pero hindi ako makaka-dedicate ng madaming hours to coach people kasi limited lang rin yung hours ko. Dami ko rin ginagawang work. Pero gusto ko sana, as in, gusto ko sana to hop on calls with people, to get to know people, and to start helping people again. Kasi I feel like that's something na will make me feel whole, I guess. And lalo na for my generation, I think I wanna help my generation more talaga. As in, tayong mga 20s na ngayon, who are struggling with the adult life. Ako rin, I'm struggling. Don't get me wrong. Parang, coaching doesn't mean I have everything figured out. Pero, yung thing na I like about coaching is, masasamahan ko kayo and ma-figure out natin together kung ano man yung mga problems ninyo. So, yun yung naisip ko so far. So, let me know in the comments if you feel like coaching might be good. Iniisip ko rin gumawa ng Discord community, maybe, na baka kung gusto nyo nagko-co-working session, kung gusto nyo mag-gaming, baka pwede tayo doon. Honestly, yung gusto ko talaga with YouTube is how you can build a community out of it. And gusto ko sana parang wholesome adulting community siya na we're just figuring out life. Kasi ang hirap naman talaga to figure out life. You'll talk about taxes, finding your job, getting promoted in your job, or starting a business, or having work-life balance. All of these things parang pag-uusapan nyo as adult. Kaya I feel like having a community baka on Discord will be nice as well. Tingnan natin. Baka lang maging project natin in the future. Tapos kung meron sa inyo na gustong subukan to build that community with me, let me know in the comments or email lang kayo sa akin. I really like connecting with people. I've already connected with some of you. So, si Job, one of the people who commented in my earliest videos, I connected with him. And, ayun, I got to know him a lot better, especially in the YouTube space. So, yeah. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what our small channel can do. Anyway, this week was fun. I went to a concert nga, like I said, and I think I want to go to more. Pero I just don't know what concerts are nice to go to. I think that was one of the best concerts I've ever been to. Medyo bummer nga lang na after that concert, I had to go back to work. No, parang Wednesday na the next day, tapos work na ako uli. Tapos tomorrow, nalimutan ko nga sabihin sa boss ko na holiday bukas. So, of course, I'll work on a holiday. I think that's something I need to improve. I need to know what days are holidays para I can also take a holiday. Kasi, wala eh. Yun yung medyo mahirap as a freelancer. You don't get to have your holidays. We'll see. Pero gusto ko rin ng holidays. Nainggit ako. Kasi yung partner ko, of course, may holiday siya. So, break siya bukas. Nainggit ako. Kasi parang, okay din sana magka-break. I don't get that. Gusto ko nun. Sinabi ko nga sa isang boss ko kahapon, parang first legit break, I guess. Kahit one day lang siya. First work day break ko. Yung parang weekday na hindi ako nag-work. Ever since January. Kasi ever since January, when I got my client, dire-diretso na ako. Parang, hindi ko binabanggit yung holidays. Hindi ako nagtatanong kung pwede ba mag-holiday ako. So, ayun. Sana, tingnan natin. Hopefully, kung maging stable na tong mga clients ko, baka they can give me some holidays back. To close this video, honestly, I don't know how to close it. Naisip ko, update ko na lang kayo on my plans, siguro, before I close. So, eto yung plans ko dati. I'll scrap this. Bagong plan tayo, which gusto ko sana isulat, pero wala na akong tinta. So, una, I'll continue to juggle 4 clients. Kasi, I think as long as they're paying me, okay na ako. Parang I don't wanna worry about over-performing. I don't wanna worry about whether I'm doing good or not. What I can focus on is if I'm doing my best naman for all of them. And if I'm delivering what we agreed upon per week. So I think for all of these clients naman, we have good deliverables per week. Nagkakataon na this one client I have medyo lagging behind kasi they're still figuring out how to film, how to set up their cameras and everything else. So tinuturuan ko pa sila dun. Kino-coach ko rin sila how to talk to the camera kasi hindi rin sila masyado natural. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Sorry. This is all boring. Ang boring na pinag-uusapan ko. Pero going back, I will keep my 4 jobs. Tapos I'm planning to take a course and let me know in the comments kung sulit ba to kasi expensive siya. As in, yung isang sahod ko, yun na siya. Yung sahod ko for 3 months, yun na siya. So parang coaching siya. He's gonna be coaching me to be a YouTube strategist. Kasi konti lang out there, honestly. Konti lang yung courses out there to teach you YouTube. There are courses like kay Ali Abdal, pero wala silang one-on-one coaching. Wala silang mentoring or anything else. Parang you just have access to the course. And I've seen this course already before. Nakapirata ako. Joke lang. Binigyan ako na access na isa kong kilala. Tapos, ano lang, parang tuturuan ka lang ni Ali Abdal through a video how to do YouTube. All the strategies and everything else. Tapos, wala. You just have to execute. Pero I think what I'm looking for is someone na i-coach ako. Halimbawa, ipakita ko ng channel na to. Tapos I ask him, ano pwede ko improve? What can I improve in this thing? How can I increase views? How can I reach more people? How can I improve the quality of my videos? Tapos ayun, bigyan ako ng actual steps or bibigyan ako ng tips on how to do it. Or titingnan niya kung I'm on the right track in terms of building the channel. So I think that's what I want. I want to learn that in a structured way. So itong course na inisip kong i-take, it's expensive. Parang imagine mo yung sahod mo, ibabayad mo for the course every month for 3 months. So ganun siya kamahal. Nagne-negotiate ako with one of my bosses kung pwedeng hati kami para naman hindi sobrang bigat. Kasi gagamitin ko rin naman for him. Hopefully pumayag siya. Pero tignan natin. Pag-uusapan namin this Friday. Sana talaga. As in, I'm praying talaga na pumayag siya. Kahit split lang kami sa cost. Pero yun, that's part of my plan. I'm planning to take a course. Hopefully this month, mabayaran ko siya. And then, after that, I'm praying na parang YouTube strategist na ako. And parang may full confidence na ako in myself na I can help people with YouTube. Even my own, even myself. No, tapos, while I'm doing that, while I'm taking the course, may second channel ako, which is mostly YouTube strategy. So, yung second channel, ang balak ko is just me talking about YouTube, teaching people how to grow, teaching people how to start, and ayun, yun lang. Yun yung balak ko for that second channel. And hopefully, it grows. Pero yun nga lang, ang hirap kasi mag-grow ng YouTube strategy channel. I see online na medyo konti lang rin talaga out there. So, wala. Baka something fun to experiment on. Tapos ayun, I'll keep doing this channel. I'll keep doing vlogs, daily vlogs, na hopefully you guys can watch while you're working. Parang something on the side lang. I want to keep improving the content I have here also, pero I don't know how. Diba? Parang, other than the podcast, yun yung inisip ko other way na I can improve the content para magpo-podcast ako. Pero, medyo limited lang rin yung podcasting, I guess. Gusto ko matry sana na improve yung vlogs. Parang better storytelling, better themes. Parang, alam mo, for other channels, may kita mo parang the exercise for 30 days, ito yung resulta. Or, challenge to cook Filipino food for 30 days. Kasi halimbawa ako, hindi naman ako talaga nagluluto lagi. So, mga ganong challenge videos na tingin ko mas may storytelling. But at the same time, gusto ko rin i-honor yung pagka-raw ng channel ko na parang kung ano yung buhay ko, yun lang talaga. Yun lang talaga. Parang boring na boring. Kumbaga, it's just work. It's just really a work channel and I'm just working and I'm just vlogging on the side. So, ayun, I'm still deciding and we'll see. Yung nakakalungkot lang kasi with YouTube is, minsan marirealize mo na the channels that really grow are these channels that plan everything. They're the channels that make everything look fun and entertaining compared to what I'm doing na is really just the raw stuff that's happening. So, parang whatever my life is, yun lang talaga. And I think there are other channels naman like this na talagang ganun lang din. Halimbawa sila, Chris Ray, if you know her, gaming channel siya. Sila, Life by Enzo, na nag-comment din on my channel. Sobrang natutuwa ako when he comments. Kasi parang they really just document their day and they post it. And I think I want that din. Gusto ko ganun lang din. Parang dinodocument ko lang yung day ko. Tapos, wala masyadong pressure to make it exciting. Pero yun nga, with how repetitive things have been for me the past month, parang inisip ko, baka there are other things that I can do to improve my videos. Pero I don't know how, honestly. Pero we'll see. We'll just see what happens and I'll do my best naman every time I record. This week, hindi lang masyado nakapag-record kasi I stayed sa girlfriend ko. We watched the concert tapos nag-work lang din kami dun sa place niya. So, wala din masyado mo film. Anyway, so, I think I wanna end this vlog. I'm gonna be editing it para bukas, kung biglang dumami yung work ko, hindi ko na kailangan mag-edit bukas. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope na you enjoyed this kahit papano and I hope na hindi pa naman kayo nabobore sa akin. If nabobore na kayo, sabihin nyo naman ako. Or comment lang kayo kung ano pwede ko improve. I hope you're all doing okay. I know na umiinit pa rin ngayon pero kahit umuulan. So I hope umokay naman na yung weather natin. I hope na in terms of work, you're also doing okay. I hope na hindi ka naman burnt out like me. And I think if you're someone like me who's burning out already, we just need to have some short breaks lang din. So, if you need that break, take that break. Tapos, I hope na your relationships are fine. I hope you're having a good life. And, yeah, I hope you're having a good time naman. So, thank you so much for watching. And, see you guys soon. Yeah, see you guys soon. Okay, bye-bye.